Tinry ko nung sumulat ng song. Meron akong title, kaya lang hindi ko alam kung paano yung verse, yung chorus, yung nahihirapan ako eh.
Reason why I write, because there are like a lot of mixed up words in my mind. I don't know how to get them out, and writing is one of the best ways that I know how to express myself.
Sulat ako ng song para ma-express yung aking saloobin.
Once upon a kid was a dream. Oh, it was real. It was something he could feel. But then it disappeared in the midst of the city street.
Ang sanguna ko ito nga ginubrabe kwan nang hindi umamintindihan kung ano ang pasunod la. So, subong pagtaw nagli pa ka pasunod, ang mga pasunod ka magubra kanta.
Everyone can chase their dreams, make them come true.
Yung mga ideas ko na buhay.
Lend me your eyes and I'll show you the world. You'll be surprised.
Imagining things, trying to feel what that person is supposed to feel when you're talking about this kind of thing. Sarap siya, kasi parang nafe-feel mo kumbaga yung outside of yourself. Parang mas lumalawak pa yung yung possibilities ng song, especially lyrical, yung ideas.
He's wide awake. Everyone.
Yung melody tsaka yung lyrics, nag-jive.
Yung favorite ko yung collaboration.
The things that they do.
Maraming mga ideas sama ko sa mga workshop, and then I get to learn something from them.
Though sang first, medyo budlay mag-express ang pagka-first nga nahamba ko ng idea ko, sunod-sunod na ko okay naman, ga-flow na lang.
Or on sa collaboration, parang group task. Kasi iba't iba yung perspective sa song.
Just sing, just dance, just take a chance, just hope, just dream, and let them see. Just sing, just dance, just take a chance, just hope, just dream, just let them see.
Nakagawa kami ng group ko ng songs, at saka ako mismo yung kumanta ng song.
I believe that we deserve a chance to build a better future for ourselves.
Ito ka, fulfillment, it wala ako nga nakobra ka mo songs for a given hour lang.
We started with a story. We just pictured a boy who has dreams, ambitions, and then he just couldn't reach that certain dream because he lacked something, and then he knows that somebody can help him.
And all these things, they all begin with you.
I have been open to a lot of possibilities that anything can happen. It's difficult to write a song if you don't feel your song, like what Emmanuel said last time she visited.
See the city lights as I walk down the street. People pass me by. This isn't what it used to be. And I still hold you tight. No, it's only in my dreams. Your hands still in mine. I know you still believe in me.
Stay true to yourself, and then just express yourself in your songs.
Mag-gimo sang kanta, so makipag-friends.
It's fun. I learned a lot, especially the friends these friends I have. I met a lot of new friends this summer.
Everyone can chase their dreams, make them come true.
What really writing song is all about. Ganun pala ka-powerful.
how to be open to criticisms and very much aware that change is actually good.
Siguro ano lang, to reawaken things, saka inspiration.
Jimboy, ikaw ang aming tanging superhero, Jimboy. Huli lang bata.
Of course, I wanted to be with people who love music then because it's busy at work.
First nga song nga naubra ko nga ng For Others. Kaya usually ang mga songs nga naubra ko for myself.
Jimboy, ikaw ang aming tanging superhero, Jimboy.
The best part about songwriting is I get to express myself because the easiest things are not always so easy to say, diba? But when you put it into a song, it becomes a lot easier.
I learned so much. Especially when it comes to finding your inspiration and how to make a song and make a difference.
Nakaka-inspire. Parang tinutulak ka pa naman write pa ng songs.
Actually, yung emotions ko to inspire people through music, to reach their hearts.
Parang yun yung nagpo-pour sa akin. Bigay ni Lord eh, why not nang develop it to the fullest.
I hope also na pursue mo nang hindi lang ko magsulat para sa self ko, kung makasulat mo ko songs para sa iba na tao.
I will write songs to inspire people.
Libre lang mangarap, so just keep on dreaming, and when you can imagine it, there's a really big possibility it can come true.
I had fun. It has been one of the best summers of my life.
Masaya yung isang writing. Marami ka talaga matututunan. Kagaya ko.
Kung may makita, chicks. Gawa ko kanta.
Meron kami kaibigan, Jimboy. Kanyang pangalan nahirapan. Ang kanyang mundong kinamulatan, Jimboy. Dapat ipahay ka naglalaro sa mga batang naghabulan at nagsisita ko. Pero iba ka, ikaw ay naiiba. Tinitingala, tinugurian, tiniklalat, sika nga katara.
Ikaw ang aming tanging superhero, Jimboy. Ulirang batang palaboy, Jimboy. Ang iyong ngiti ang susi sa kahirapan, Jimboy. Lumipad mangarap